रक्षा मंत्री श्री राजनाथ सिंह जी, आदरणीय किशन रेड्डी जी, हमारे मित्र और हमारे राज्य के पार्लियामेंट मेंबर और मेंबर ऑफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट फॉर होम अफेयर्स, आदरणीय संतोष कुमार गंगवार जी, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट फॉर लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट, और मेरे साथी यहाँ पे तेलंगाना राज्य में आदरणीय श्री मल्ला रेड्डी जी, और हमारे मित्र और आज मैटर ऑफ प्राइड फॉर अस, the chairman of DRDO and secretary Shri Satish Reddy ji. We're proud of the fact that you have invited us to this event. We are also proud of the fact that under your leadership, DRDO has been achieving several things. And Dr. Srinivas, who is the Dean of ESIC Medical College and Hospital, and his colleagues at the ESI College in Sanat Nagar. So firstly, I would like to compliment and congratulate the entire team of DRDO in collaboration with ESIC and of course the private sector industry partners who have established a mobile virology research and diagnostic lab called as the MVRDL lab at ESIC in Sanat Nagar, Hyderabad. I am told that this is the first of its kind facility and comes with biosafety levels 2 and also is in compliance with biosafety level 3 containment facilities for infectious diseases. I'm also glad to note from Dr. Settling remarks that this Hyderabad facility was set up in a record time of less than 2 weeks as compared to a time frame of 6 months which is typically needed for a BSL-2 facility. Government of Telangana along with Government of India has been at the forefront of taking all necessary steps to contain the spread of COVID-19 pandemic in Telangana along with the rest of the country. In the interest of the Telugu speaking population of my state, with your permission, Rajnath ji, I would like to switch to Telugu for a minute. The last thing I would like to point out, sir, the mobile testing lab, of course, will be a great addition to our existing COVID management infrastructure, supporting quicker testing and diagnostics. As it is, Government of Telangana has been extensively testing along with, the facility that was requested by Honorable Chief Minister, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, CCMB, which the Honorable Prime Minister has consented and kindly agreed as also to use as a testing facility. This MVRDL lab also has wider applications and can also support doctors, scientists working in the fields of highly infectious diseases, tuberculosis, oncology, organ transplant, etc. in the future also. I, of course, would like to once again extend my gratitude and sincerely congratulate the teams of DRDO, all the scientists and sanitation staff of GHMC and other corporations, and also, of course, most importantly, there are private sector partners